lunch.
I want a snack.
Okay, what do you want?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Too much sugar.
Chips.
It's not healthy. Too high in salt and it's deep fried. How about some fruit?
I had apples for lunch.
Yeah, you did have apple slices for lunch. I know. Roasted chickpeas?
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Let's go do it.
These are chickpeas. 60 cents a can. Cheap and yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It's okay.
Now we pat it dry.
Now careful, don't smash up the beans. Thank you.
Now we season.
First, what do we do?
Add this.
What is that? Olive oil.
Olive oil. Let's add salt.
A little bit more. We actually need quite a bit of salt.
A lot of salt.
Well, not a lot, but more than what you just give. A little bit more, see? A big pinch.
One more big pinch.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Okay, now next is onion powder.
Yep.
Okay, not too much on this. Oh, that's perfect. And now garlic powder, about the same amount, please.
Kind of looks like yeast too.
Oh, all right, now we're gonna really taste the garlic. And now you...
Let's add cooking yeast.
More.
Mix everything.
Oh, whoops.
Good job.
Good job.
I just tasted it and it's salt. Chickpea success.
Let's hear how crunchy it is. Put one in your mouth and chew. Wow, that is so crunchy. Is it tasty? Yeah, and it's healthy. And it's cheap. What can be better? Say bye.
Bye.